Hey guys, Al Spence here for Gulf Coast Custom Models. This is take number 5 or 6. I lost count. Guys, I'm outside doing it kind of in my Florida room. Yeah, had some bad news, but I'll get to that at the end. Every time I start talking, I screw it up. This is my 56 Gasser I just finished, like 3 or 4 days ago. Huts Dyno shop. It's these cats here, Rodriguez brothers, and Jerez and Ploma. Not sure. They're out of Cleveland area up there in Ohio. But I seen the car, I liked it, and thought I'd do one of it. Got the drop headers going. No bumper in the front like most Gassers. Two-tone. I use lacquer paint, guys, because when you use lacquer, it dries quickest and you get better lines. I found you get a sharper line out of it, and that's probably the biggest trick I found about painting is when you're gonna do a two-tone or something, use lacquer. And I use pinstriping, automotive pinstripe, solid color, blue, white, it don't matter, but it gives you some tight lines, and it keeps that, when you pull it up, it keeps that splatter from coming down, especially lacquer, because it dries so quick. There's a shot of the inside, if I can find it. There it is. But let me show you the engine. I hear the neighbor kids out over next door, so if they start going off, I'll get you. I got Benji in the house. There you go. Sorry guys, I'm standing up, slumped over. We got a low pressure system came through here, a couple tornadoes in the area. My legs are killing me. Both my ankles are aching. Enough about me. Let me get you a shot of the bottom here. Man, I got my camera prop thing ordered, another holder. So when that comes in, next car I do is gonna be a lot better. I'm sorry about this. This is kind of chintzy, I know. And a new phone too. I got the S10. I don't know where the heck to hold it at to keep my fingers out of the lens. But there you go. That's her 56 Huts Dyno Speed Shop. Who obviously are not in business, but anyways, I was gonna say is my mama passed away. Yeah, she made it to Easter, and then she died that morning about 4:30, 4:05 in the morning. I found her. I went in to get her something to drink. Guys, she looked like she was sleeping. I ain't kidding you, man. You young fellas out there, you gotta brace yourself for when them days come. She was 86, gonna be 87, so she had a good run. Spent the last 10 years with me and my wife Allie, so she had it pretty good. But it's still hard, even if you're never ready. So enough of that. Don't want to bum you down, bring you out, guys. Anyways, there she is. Hope you like her. Like I said, I gotta make it a quick video. Benji's barking. So you guys take care. I'll talk to you later. Bye bye.